Our next and last scenario analysis in this case considers another problem we've dealt with in the past, the books sales problem. Namely, we were buying in some books and selling them. $30 was the full price, but if we didn't make all the sales, we had to sell at a lowly dismal price of $10. The reason was that the book was quite contemporary and it was out of fashion quickly. Now we bought in 2,500 books, and this table controlled our price for buying things in. When we buy in less than 2,000 books, we get one book for a price of 24. When we buy from 2,000 to 3,000, we get a price of 22. When we buy from 3,000 books, we get a price of $20 per book. In our case, we bought 2,500, getting a price of 22. Remember that this could be done with if, and the price was 22. Next, we had to decide how big was the demand. In this case, the demand was 2,000. We could now see how much we could sell for a full price of 30. This was determined by an if. Again, we're going over this quite quickly, but we can refer back to that video. And it says that if the demand was smaller than the order size, as is in our case because the demand is 2,000 and the order size is 2,500, then we could only sell the demand of 2,000 with full price. In the other case, if the demand was bigger, we could sell the entire order for full price. The other formula said how much we could sell with a discounted low price. If the demand was really big, in case of a really big demand, there was nothing left over for a discount. In case the demand was small, we could sell what was left over from demand. That is, order size minus demand. We could sell that for a discounted price. And right now we will sell 2,000 for a full price, 500 for a discounted price. Now we had to calculate the money coming in, revenue. And revenue was a multiplication of 2,000 with full price and 500 with discounted price. This was the revenue. Now we could calculate the costs. Costs were the multiplication of 2,500 of order size with unit price 22. That was the costs. 65 and 55,000 resulted in a total profit of 10,000. That is, profit was revenue minus costs.